What's your name and badge number?
I don't gotta give it to you, homie.
Oh, you don't have to give it to me?
No, sir.
Oh, you don't?
Nope. Better get up out my space, man. I need you to get further away.
Back off. I don't need to go anywhere. What are you going to do? What are you going to do?
If you're interfering with me, I'll arrest you.
I'm not interfering with you, dude. Then come get your homeboy.
I have a job to do. I have to tow a vehicle.
Then do it. Then do it.
I need you further away.
Man, I ain't going nowhere. I didn't say a word to you guys.
I was just saying hi to you, man. I was being friendly.
Just say hello. You don't have to say my name.
I don't know why you got to be all mad about it, though.
Because, dude.
Then just go away.
You go away.
You can fuck up here, dude. Then why the fuck do you care, Mr. Editor?
How about I trespass you from my restaurant? Is that okay?
Is he disturbing you?
Absolutely.
Oh, here we go.
Turn around, brother.
All right, folks, we have a crazy police interaction video that's going to get your juices flowing. This cop rage quit this department after this unlawful arrest. You haven't seen this one yet. Every Camera Counts reached out to me and explained what exactly happened here. So I'll go ahead and relay that to you. This deputy, Anthony Walkup, instigated an argument with Every Camera Counts and then solicited a charge on him. Let's get something straight before we watch the video. The cameraman didn't say anything to anyone until they addressed him first. The bartender at the gym grill and bar never officially trespassed him, nor did he talk to her until she cussed him out. But she wasn't arrested. This deputy has been fired from a different department only to come to this one and embarrass the entire Pinal County Sheriff's Department. This failure of a blue line bootlicker is also jealous that Every Camera Counts has been more successful than he has on YouTube. We'll see that in this video, especially since I'm going to include the clip of him bragging about how psychotic he is at the end of the video. So don't go anywhere. Watch this full video. We'll give you the update at the end as well. I'm going to include the original channel link in the description and pinned comment as always. And let me just say thank you to all of you that go and subscribe and leave comments to these channels. You have no idea how happy I get to see you guys bring other channels' numbers up. Alright folks, let's not waste any more of your time. Here's the video.
Yeah, wallet, keys, phone.
Dude, don't say my name. Come on. What's wrong with you? You hear everybody in the bar over there saying my name? It's because you guys are doxing me. You guys keep doxing me, dude. I'm going to put everything on the internet. Just like your homeboy over there with his federal firearms license. Dude, I got access to hundreds of thousands of people. Don't make me put yours on the internet, dude. Don't make me do it.
Why would you do that?
Because I don't want you saying my name on the camera, man.
Oh, why does that make you mad?
Why do you think, man?
I don't know.
You think what I'm doing out here is safe?
Is what I'm doing safe?
Well, you're the one with the gun, dude. I ain't got no gun.
Sounds like a you problem, my man.
What's your name and badge number? What's your name and badge number?
I don't gotta give it to you, homie.
Oh, you don't have to give it to me?
No, sir.
Oh, you don't?
Nope.
Which vehicle you in?
This one right here.
You don't have to give it to me.
Better get up out my space, man.
I forgot to mention that this arrest took place on April 1st of 2023. Every Camera Counts has trial in a day or two, so please go help him with case laws if you know any that he could use in his defense. It's important that he goes to court prepared. Every Camera Counts tried to depose the deputy, but was told the deputy quit, so that goes out the window like this case should. He was also told Deputy Walkup wasn't available to be subpoenaed because he moved out of state. When I spoke to Every Camera Counts, he explained how there's a tremendous amount of Blue Line supporters in the area, and that's why he doesn't appreciate these deputies doxing him. Not only on video, but to the patrons as well. He's already been threatened by some of these boot shine drooling bootlickers. Keep watching.
All right.
You heard me? 21890.
Yep.
That's all I need.
Take notes from a little further away. You're in my space.
No, I'm not. What's your name, dude? That's all I need to know. You don't want me in your space to tell me your name and badge number.
I need you to get further away.
Off, I don't need to go anywhere. What are you going to do? What are you going to do?
If you're interfering with me, I'll arrest you.
I'm not interfering with you, dude. Shut up.
You're yelling at me.
Off, dude.
You're yelling at me, dude.
Dude, go walk away. Go walk away. Go walk away. Go do 5 feet away from you.
That's not far enough, my man.
Man, you're going to arrest me? Do it then.
Yeah.
Do it. Do it.
You've been arrested for interference before?
Yeah, I've been arrested for interference. This will be the 5th time, bro. It'll be the 5th time. You know how many times I've beaten in court?
How many
It'll
times?
be 4. I've beaten it 4 times because this is not interfering.
What's the 5th
Go
time?
do your job.
You're yelling at
Go
me.
do your job. It don't matter.
My job with you yelling at me, homie.
Don't say my name, dude.
Then don't be on my scene, dude.
Fuck off, dude.
If I know you, I can talk to you. Then just go away.
You go away.
You can fuck off.
You can off.
I have a job to do.
Then do it.
I need you further away.
Do your job,
You're
dude.
obviously aggressive. You're non-compliant. That's the
I'm aggressive because I told you don't say my name on the camera. I didn't say a word to you, dude. I haven't said a word until you started with your
#1 indicator of violence.
Okay, then get out of here, dude.
Then
come get your homeboy.
I have a job to do. I have to tow a vehicle.
Then do it. Then do it.
I need you further away.
Man, I ain't going nowhere. I ain't going nowhere.
I need you further away.
Dude.
Are you gonna chill if I get in my car and not talk?
You can do whatever the fuck you want. I didn't even talk to you until you talked to me.
But you're still yelling at me. I'm asking you questions so that I can go back to my job and do it safely.
Go do what you gotta do,
Are you
man.
gonna stay that far away and not talk to me?
Go do what you gotta do.
Are you gonna do that?
Go do what you gotta do.
All right, man.
Hey, boss.
What's up?
Is this a 20-day or regular?
Regular.
I don't know why it's so hard for you guys. Don't say my name, dude. It's simple. I didn't say a word to you guys. I didn't say a word to you guys.
I was just saying hi to you, man. I was being friendly.
Just say hello. You don't have to say my name.
I don't know why you got to be all mad about it, though.
Because, dude. Because. Look at all these people here. Because what I do isn't safe, man.
Yeah, then you put me on the internet. What's the difference?
I wouldn't even put you on the internet if you go here and start shit like you did.
No one started shit. I said
yeah,
hi
you
in
did.
your name. I've never
say
talked
my
to you
name.
before ever.
Either have I. I've never talked to you neither.
Why are you so mad, dude?
Because I don't want you saying my name. What part of that don't you understand?
Then don't be an internet star, bro.
Man, you're going to be an internet star. You're going to be an internet star. You're right, I do.
Yeah, it's
you're right, I do.
So you're not a reporter.
Yeah, I am.
So you don't have the same rights. No.
Yeah, yes, I do, dude. I own a media company. I own a media company, bro.
Yeah.
I own a media company. Dude, I said $1,000.
Congratulations, dude. Congratulations.
You're a clown, bro. Don't say my name. You should.
Keep saying it.
And you should identify. That's a policy violation, dude. Stop saying my name. And you know what? I could bleep it all out. I could bleep it all out, you dumbass.
I don't care, dude. Then why the fuck do you care, Mr. Editor?
Q, man.
Yeah.
Q.
So it's on its way. I'll do this. Okay, thank you.
Just like you, homeboy. I asked you last time, don't say my name, man. That's all I'm asking.
Tonight.
All right, thank you. I appreciate that.
Okay.
Next time I'm going to put this on the internet, dude.
Dude, I'll put yours on the internet too.
Go right ahead. I can put complaints in on your FLL too. Your federal firearms license.
I have nothing to say. I have nothing against you, man.
All right. All I'm asking for you guys is to stop saying my name on camera.
And I didn't.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Educate your friend over there.
That space.
I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
Your thing, and we're doing ours.
Good. Learn from your friend. Yeah, I'm talking to you.
If you want to record, you can record. But if you're going to get verbal and altercation...
Dude, arrest me then. Arrest me, bro. Arrest me. Arrest me. That sergeant ain't going to let you arrest me for some bullshit.
That sergeant ain't going to stop me if I do.
Yeah. We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see.
Tough guy.
I don't got to be tough, man. Look at you.
Look at me what? Look at me what?
You want a mirror? What do you mean what?
Look at me what? How old are you, young man? How old are you, young man? Tough guy with a badge? How old are you, young man? What happened? I get under your skin, young man? I get under your skin, young man? Look at me. Look at me. Look at you. You're some superstar? I'm an old man, dude. I'm an old man. Talk shit to old people. Without that badge on, I bet you wouldn't talk shit to me in a dark alley.
Yeah, I gave it to him. It's out of California.
Yeah, and that's the problem. That sergeant wouldn't stop you from illegally arresting me. That's the problem. The sergeant wouldn't stop you from illegally arresting me. This isn't interfering, dude. This is called the Constitution. It's the First Amendment. Our founding fathers gave us this right to film you.
Let me pause the video really quick to point out that the Bill of Rights, the Constitution, nor did the Founding Fathers give us our rights. They wrote those documents to limit the scope of authority that government has over we the people. We are born with natural rights, folks. Keep watching.
Doing your job. Do your fucking job. Leave me alone. Don't say my name. This could all went different, Sarge. Could all went different. I didn't say a single word to you guys. Not a single word. Not a single word. Now we got an internet sensation on our hands. And I am the media, dude. As much as you hate that, I am the media. Your disrespect to that badge, dude. Blemish. I'm gonna call you Blemish because you're a blemish to the badge. You're a blemish to the badge. That's why people don't respect you anymore.
You shut the fuck. You. How about I trespass you from my restaurant? Is that okay?
Is he disturbing you?
Absolutely.
Oh, here we go.
Turn around, brother.
You can't be serious.
Oh, I'm 100% serious.
What's your name, bro?
You want to yell
What's
at
your
everybody
name?
else? I don't want to break your camera.
All right, so we
hand it to my
want
homie. Go ahead and turn it off. However you gotta turn it off.
How do I turn it off, bro?
you gotta hit that. You know, I'd have to do it for you, dude.
I definitely don't want it broke, so.
Yeah, I hear you.
I had to go and yell at her, dude. You yell at me all you want.
She yelled at me. You gonna arrest her too?
This is her business. You're disturbing the people
That's
here.
her
She's
business?
allowed to tell you to leave.
That's her business.
She's allowed to, yeah, she's allowed
Sarge,
to
you
tell
know how
you
to
to
shut this off? I don't.
She's allowed to tell you to leave, dude.
She didn't tell me to leave. And if she would have told me to leave, I would have left.
Alright, and here are my final thoughts. This cop, Anthony Walkup, aka Ace Walker, is what he goes by on YouTube.
You can go to a scene, see something gnarly, and then go back to the station and tell terrible, horrible, dirty jokes for the next hour, because I'm gonna have some days where I just kind of hate humanity. That's just the reality of the job, because I was the one that chased her down, right? Don't run away from me. I can do this. I can fix this. And I would chase her down, and I would follow her right into the bathroom or over into the kitchen or wherever she was going. And I would demand that we continue to get to the bottom of this problem, right? Chasing her into that other room and forcing her to talk about it on my terms while she's still emotional. I don't know if it's a cop thing or if it's just me, but
This cop, Anthony Walkup, aka Ace Walker, instigated and escalated this encounter from start to finish. He also lied on the police report, which is possibly the reason he rage quit the department. Did you see when the other deputy tried to stop him from continuing the escalation? He didn't listen to that deputy either. Is it possible they tried talking to him at the department and he wasn't having it? Is it possible that this cop is so narcissistic that he thinks he's above the law as well as any kind of reproach? We're trying to find out if he works for another department, but we can't seem to find him yet. If any of you know where he works at now, please let us know. We'll keep you all updated. His name is Anthony Walkup, and he goes by Ace Walker on YouTube. But can we really blame this fool? Or should we begin to start putting the blame on the entire departments? First of all, they hire complete trash, knowing some of them come from other departments after being fired or forced to resign. Secondly, they don't properly train these imbeciles. They say, here you go, here's a gun to shoot people, and here's a tin badge to protect you from any and all repercussions. If we're wondering why many folks don't want to become cops anymore, maybe it's because not everyone wants to be a piece of shit. Even lowlifes that are total scumbags may still want to keep whatever soul they have left. I really don't want to be too harsh, but it's the cold truth. Since I started this channel, many folks that are ex-cops have reached out to me to tell me their stories. One of them actually works with us now. I even cussed her out before on an encounter. Goes to show cops at their best are worse than I am at my worst, if that makes any sense. Alright guys, I know you want to hear me criticize these incompetent welfare recipient cops some more, but I have another video to go critique, and it's just as bad as this one. It's kind of sad that I can't tell you that the videos here are good because they're all bad. Bad cops have made me successful. Please make that make sense. And definitely go show every camera count some love. He has court in a couple days, so if you have any case laws that can help him, he'd definitely appreciate your support. You guys watch the video. A lot of you know more than I do. You guys have actually helped educate me a lot, and sometimes I take that information and relay it to other folks. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so now. Until next time, thank you all for your support. See you on the next video or on the last one. Peace.